And ang down payment nito, magugulat ka, 4,000 per month lang for 24 months. Grabe! Mura ba? Yes! Murang-mura. Gusto mo ba yung house and lot na 4 bedrooms? Gusto mo ba yung may sarili kang car garage? Gusto mo rin ba yung mababa lang ang down payment at hulugan pa ng 24 months? If yes ang answer mo dyan, this unit might be for you. So mga kabayan, itong nasa likod ko, this is 3-story townhouse na may provision for 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and car garage. At ang maganda rito mga kabayan, this is located in Tanza, Cavite and very near SM. So ano pang advantage nito mga kabayan? This is near schools, hospitals, malls, and malapit ito sa lahat ng kailangan mo. Saan ka makakakita ng ganito kaganda na bahay na 4,000